In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix sent emails going into drafts in Outlook. If you've noticed that every time you hit send, your email doesn't show up in the sent items folder and instead just sits in drafts. That can be really confusing and frustrating. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the key settings to check in Outlook so your messages send properly and get saved where they should. First, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're in the Mail view. Look over to the left and confirm that you can see your Drafts folder and your Sent Items folder listed there. This helps you clearly see what's happening as you test changes later. Next, we're going to look at your account settings. At the top left, click on File, then choose Account Settings, and again, Account Settings from the drop-down. In the Email tab, select the email account that's having the problem, then click Change. Here you'll see the basic settings for your account. You don't need to edit your server details right now. Instead, look for a More Settings button and click that. A new window will open. Go to the Advanced tab. Here, you want to check whether Outlook is set to leave copies of messages on the server and how it synchronizes folders. If you're using an IMAP account, make sure the Sent Items folder is correctly mapped. You should see an option that lets you choose which folder to store sent items in. Select the folder called Sent or Sent Items that belongs to this account, not one from another account. Now switch to the Folders or Sent Items tab if you see one, and again confirm that the option to save sent items in this folder or similar is enabled. If this is turned off, Outlook may be sending the message but not placing a copy in Sent Items, which can make it look like it's stuck in drafts. After adjusting these, click OK, then Next, then Finish, and close out of the Account Settings windows. Now it's time to test. Create a new email, type a simple subject and a short message, and send it to yourself. Watch your Drafts folder to see if the email stays there, and then check your Sent Items folder. If everything is configured correctly, the draft should disappear as soon as Outlook finishes sending, and a copy should appear in Sent Items. If you still see the message stuck in drafts, try restarting Outlook and repeating the test. Often, a quick restart after changing settings helps Outlook apply everything correctly.